Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, more fireworks. Yeah, I just love fireworks. Ooh. Ooh. Fireworks, 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 yeah. Fireworks. Wow. Fireworks. Wow. Fireworks are amazing. Yeah, I'm bright too. I don't think I'm gonna sleep tonight. So yeah. I'm looking at another long video. But never mess with fireworks. Always have a parent to help you light up a firework. I'm currently breathing inside the phone right now. Very creepily. Because I drool. Don't mind me, I'm just being creepy. Because that's how I get at night. Sorry. Can you stop that, Piponi? Sorry, sweet chap, I can't help it. You're gonna post this on YouTube, right? You're gonna get yourself embarrassed. No, I'm not. Who knows I'm creepy? That's Pittsburgh, of course. Okay, that's gonna end it. Wait, no, wait. I don't think so yet. Okay, I'm just gonna end it now because my phone's getting low. Okay, bye.